this is skeuomorphic design. And what makes something skeuomorphic is it looks like hardware, right? That looks like the exact thing that's mounted in a piece of hardware. That's a skeuomorphic design. It's tactile. You can see it. You can feel it. So, Waves Audio, from a company I was working at, they made an entire, like living off of skeuomorphic designs, basically just remaking things that already exist. A non-skeuomorphic design would be like the elevator that I just showed you, which it doesn't really look like anything. It's something completely different UI. There's pros and cons to doing both. Skeuomorphic designs are really easy to sell because people are familiar with the product, right? It's like, oh, I know what that knob does. It does this thing, because I've already seen this in my life before. But the non-skeuomorphic design, people do that because they want to approach audio processing in a different manner than, say, the old-fashioned. Not to say that they're different, like totally. It's just that it's not something you're used to. It's designed in a way to give you a different, user experience. And so that's kind of what that is.